Good day, everyone! I'm Aethra Brinil of Grade 2 SSES of Kapamba Elementary School. Today, we're going to perform a science activity about process skills, such as observing, collecting, investigating, classifying, inferring data, and communicating ideas. Come on, let's start. Here, I collected 3 types of liquid in small clear bottles and labeled them accordingly. I have here water, vegetable cooking oil, and soy sauce. Now, let's answer the following question. Number 1. Which liquids are colorless? Let's check. The answer is water. Number 2. Which liquids have color? Let's check. The answer is vegetable cooking oil and soy sauce. Number 3. Which liquids are odorless? Let's smell. The liquids which are odorless is water and vegetable cooking oil. Number 4. Which liquids have strong smell? Let's smell. The answer is the soy sauce. Number 5. Which liquids have strong taste? Let's taste. The answer is the soy sauce. And there you have it. We just learned different science process skills. Remember, we observed, we collected, we investigated, we classified, we inferred data, and we communicated our ideas. Thank you for joining and learning with me. See you again at our next activities. Bye, everyone!